Today, we are going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone from parents or nosy friends. Our step-by-step guide will help you maintain your privacy by keeping your apps discreetly tucked away. So let's get started. Hide apps with screen time. You can utilize screen time to keep specific apps hidden from your home screen. You can follow this step to hide apps. You can launch the setting app from your iPhone. Then you can select screen time. You can activate and create your screen time passcode and then choose content and privacy restriction here. Then you can tap on allow apps. You can enter your passcode. Then on the allow apps, you can see a list of pre-installed or default apps on your iPhone. If you want to hide it on your home screen, just simply turn off the switch next to the app's name. For example, I'm going to hide the mail, but firstly, we should check first on the home screen. We tap on mail, we got it. So we want to hide the mail. Just turn off the switch and then we try to search it on our home screen. As you can see, the mail apps will be hid from your phone. This is for default application that already pre-installed on your phone. For social media apps or for third-party apps that you install from the App Store, you can navigate to setting again. We back. You can navigate in the content and privacy restriction setting. You can navigate on content restriction here. Then you can enter the passcode. After that, you can tap on apps here. For example, I'm going to hide the Instagram app. Firstly, we should check the X restriction policy from developer. We go to the App Store and then we check on the search is Instagram. Then we can tap on Instagram. You can see the X restriction based on the developer policy is 12 years old above. So anyone who 12 years old above could see this app. So we should check first. The apps is allow all. So if you check allow all or 12 years old plus or 70 plus, we can see the Instagram app. We can check. As you can see, the Instagram app still visible in your phone. Now we try to hide this. Just back and we can select, for example, 9 plus or 4 plus or don't allow anything that below 12 years old. Then when we select that, we try to open the Instagram app here. As you can see, the Instagram app on your iPhone is invisible now. We try to search it by tap Instagram. We cannot find it. To make it visible again or to unhide it, just select anything that 12 years old above, or you can check allow all. Then we can try to check it again. We open. The Instagram will be unhide or visible in your iPhone. This is hide the app with screen time feature on our iPhone. We also can try to hide the apps by creating a discrete folder. How to do this? First, create a discrete folder for the apps you want to hide. You can tap and hold the home screen until the app icon start to jiggle. Then you can drag the app icon onto another app icon you want to hide, and a folder will automatically be created. You can name the folder something inconspicuous like utilities or study tool. Is up to you to help it blend in with your other apps. Then you can move. Then to keep the folder out of sight, you can move it to the last page of your home screen. Tap and hold the folder that you already created before until it starts to jiggle, and then you can drag the folder to the right edge of the screen, and it will move to the next page and repeat until you reach the last page. After you already reached to the last page, you can press the home button, or you can swipe up if you have an iPhone without a home button to save the change. After that, the next step is you can disable app notification. To further protect your privacy, you can disable notification for the hidden apps. You can go to setting, and then after you enter the setting, you can tap on notification. Then you can find the app you want to hide. After you found it, tap on it. Then simply toggle off allow notification switch to prevent notification from appearing on your lock screen or notification center. And that's it. With this simple step, you can now hide apps on your iPhone from parent or nosy friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!